Hello students, good morning. Welcome to my channel Kirti Sikhyasram. Today we are going to discuss about trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. In previous classes we have already discussed 8.1 and 8.2. So what is before going to the topic, we have to know that what is complementary angles. What is complementary angles? We all know that if the sum of two angles is 90 degree, then the two angles are called complementary angles. That means if this is an angle of 30 degree and this is an angle 60 degree, the sum of these two angles is 90 degree. So we can say that 30 degree is the complementary angle of 60 degree and 60 degree is the complementary angle of 30 degree. Okay, in this chapter, in trigonometric ratios of complementary angles, we will study that here is a triangle. Let this is a triangle ABC. This is 90 degree, right? This is 90 degree. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. This implies A angle plus 90 degree plus C angle, because B is 90, is equal to 180 degree. This implies A angle plus C angle is equal to 90 degree. Because so if A angle and C angle is 90 degree, then we can say that A angle is complementary angle of C, or we can say that C is the complementary, A is the complementary angle C angle, C is the complementary angle of A. Okay, let's consider another triangle A, B and C. Here, considering the angle A, we can calculate sine A. So here sine A is equal to BC by AC. Similarly, cos A is equal to AB by AC, and tan A is equal to BC by AB. So sine A is equal to 80, cosec A is equal to AC by BC, and sec A will be AC by AB, and cot A will be your AB by BC. So these are the trigonometric ratios we can find from this triangle. Okay, we'll go further. So in this triangle, if we are considering A, so we can write C angle is equal to 90 minus A, right? Because we know that A angle plus C angle is equal to 90 degree, right? So I can write C angle is equal to 90 minus A. Okay, so considering the angle C, or considering the angle 90 minus A, I can write sine C, which is equal to sine 90 minus A is equal to AB by AC. Okay, similarly, cos C or cos 90 minus A is equal to BC by AC, and tan C is equal to tan 90 minus A, which is equal to AB by BC. AB by BCC. So we can write sine, then cosec 90 minus A is equal to AC by AB. Similarly, sec 90 minus A is equal to AC by BC, and cot 90 minus A is equal to BC by AB. So let us consider this is equation 1, this previous 6 things 1, and this is Question 2. Comparing both the quantities. Here sin A is equal to BC by AC. Right, sin A is equal to BC by AC. But here BC by AC is equal to cos 90 minus A. So I can write cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A. Right. So considering these two equations, I can write sin 90 minus A is equal to cos A. Cos 90 minus A is equal to sin A. Then tan 90 minus A is equal to cot A. Cot 90 minus A is equal to tan A. Then sec 90 minus A is equal to cosec A. And cosec 90 minus A is equal to sec A. From that two equation I can write this. So this is the equation what we need, and we will apply these things in the previous example and we will study. So in example number 9, in your example number 9, what is given? Given that evaluate tan 65 divided by cot 25. Right. So from here I can write tan 65. 65 means tan 65 means 90 minus 25, because 65 is equal to 90 minus 25, right? 90 minus 25. So I can write 65 as 90 minus 20 divided by cot 25. So we know that tan 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Cot theta. So from here I can write cot 25. 25. So cot 25 divided by cot 25. This will be cancelled and answer will be your 1. So in example number 10, it is given that if sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26 is an acute angle. So this thing is given as an acute angle. This thing is acute and this thing is also acute. Find the value of a. Okay, what is given? Sin 3a is equal to cos a minus 26. So I can write sin theta as cos 90 minus theta. So here sin theta I can write cos 90 minus 3a, which is equal to cos a minus 26. So here cos will be cancelled. This implies 90 minus 3a will be here is equal to a minus 26. Solving this equation, 90 plus 26 is equal to a plus 3a. This implies 4a will be is equal to 116. This implies a will be 116 by 4. A is equal to 29 degree. Okay, I hope you understand this question. Here given that sin 3a, we know that this I think this will be your problem. We know that here sin theta I can write it cos 90 minus theta. So here theta is 3a. So applying this rule I wrote here sin 3 is equal to cos 90 minus 3. Understand? Okay, we will go to the example number 11. So in question number 11, it is given that cot 85 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 degree and 45 degree. So here it is greater than 85 degree. So we have to change it from 85 degree to less than 45 degree. So here given that cot 85 degree plus cos 75. So I can write cot as tan So I can write it cot 90 minus 5, right? Because cot theta is here 85 is equal to 90 minus 5 plus cos 75 is equal to 90 minus 15. So which is equal to cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. That implies tan 5 degree plus cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin 15 degree. So here 5 and 15 are less than 45 and greater than 0. So this lie between 0 and 45, right? So this will be your answer. Okay, we will go to the exercise. So I think you have understood all the examples. If you have understood the examples, pause the video and solve the exercise. If you can solve, if any query arises, go through the further videos and you will understand the exercise better. So here is exercise 8.3 and the first question is evaluate sin 18 divided by cos 72. This is the first question. Okay, we will solve this. So here it is given that sin 18, I can write it sin 90 minus 72 because when 72 is subtracted from 90 it will be your answer 18. So sin 90 minus 72 divided by cos 72. So sin, we know that sin 90 minus theta or sin 90 minus 72 is equal to cos 72 divided by cos 72. This will be your cancel and answer will be your 1. Okay, understand? We will solve question number 2. Given that tan 26 divided by cot 64. So tan 26 by cot 64, I can write 26 as tan 90 minus 64 divided by cot 64. 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. This implies I can write it cot 64 divided by cot 64. So this will be your, again answer will be your 1. Okay, understand? We will solve the third question. So third question is given that cot 48 degree minus sin 42 degree. Sin 42 degree. Okay, we will solve this question. Sorry. Cos 48 minus sin 42 degree. Okay, cos 48. So I can write 48 as cos 90 minus 42. Right, minus sin 42. So cos 90 minus 42 means sin 42, because we know that cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. So here theta is 42, so answer will be your sin 42. So sin 42 minus sin 42. So here answer will be your 0. Okay, understand? Okay, we will go to the question number 4. And the question number 4 is given that cosec 31 degree minus sec 59 degree, right? So here cosec 31 degree is given, so I can write cosec 31 means 90 minus 59 minus sec 59 degree. This implies which is equal to cosec 90 minus theta means sec theta, sec 59 degree minus sec 59 degree. So here your answer will be 0. Understand? Okay, I hope you understand all these questions. We'll go to the question number 2. Please do subscribe and press the bell icon for more updates and more videos. Okay, question number 2. So question is given that tan 48, so that tan 48 into tan 23 into tan 42 into tan 67 is equal to 1. Okay, taking LHS as tan 48 degree into tan 23 degree into tan 42 degree into tan 67 degree. This will be taken as LHS. So I can write it like tan 48 is equal to tan 90 minus 42, tan 23 as tan 90 minus 67 into, this will be your tan 42 degree and tan 62 degree remaining. So I can write it, tan 90 minus theta means cot theta, cot 42 degree into tan 90 minus theta means cot 67 degree, tan 42 degree into tan 62 degree, right? So cot 42 I can write it like 1 by tan 42, because cot is the reciprocal of tan na? So cot 42 is equal to 1 by tan 42, so into cot 67 degree, that is 1 by tan 67 degree into tan 42 into tan 62. So here tan 42 cancel, tan 67 and tan 67 cancel, tan 62 and tan 62, sorry here 62, oh sorry 67, my mistake. So here this is cancelled. Okay, we will solve the second eye. So in second eye, it is given that cos 38 into cos 52 minus sin 38 into sin 52 is equal to 0. So take LHS as cos 38 into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree, right? So here I can write cos 38 as cos 90 minus 52 and cos 52 as cos 90 minus 38 minus sin 38 into sin 52 degree. So here cos 90 minus theta, it will be your sin 52 degree into, this will be your sin 38 degree minus sin 38 into sin 52 degree. So this is a similar, these two are similar terms, so we can cancel this and this will be your answer 0. Understand? So in question number 3, it is given that if tan 2a is equal to cot a minus 18, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. So we have already discussed this type of question in example. Okay, you can go for that and you will see this video. And what is given that we have tan 2a minus cot a minus 18, right? So I can write tan 2a as cot 90 minus 2a, right? Because we know that tan theta is equal to cot 90 minus theta, right? So applying this, so tan 2a will be your cot 90 minus 2a, this is 90, minus cot, sorry, is equal to cot a minus 18. So from here I can write, this implies 90 minus 2a is equal to a minus 18, right? A minus 18. Solving this implies 3a will be your 108 and a is equal to 108 by 3, 3 3 are 9, 36. So a is your 36 degree. Understand? So let's go to the question number 4. So in question number 9, it is given that if tan a is equal to cot b, tan a is equal to cot b, prove that a plus b is equal to 9. Okay, this is a very easy question. Tan a is equal to cot b, so I can write tan a as, this implies cot 90 minus a, right, which is equal to cot b. So from here I can write 90 minus A is equal to B. This implies base got cancelled and 90 minus A is equal to B. So 90 minus A is equal to B. So from here I can write A plus B is equal to 90. So this is given to fruit and hence proved. Okay, this is a very easy question. We will go to the question number 5. So here is your question. If sec 4a is equal to sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20, where 4a is an acute angle, find the value of a. We have already done this type of question in question number 3. So try to solve this question by your own. If not, then see the video. So given that sec 4a is equal to cosec a minus 20. So I can write sec 4a as cosec 90 minus 4a, because sec theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta, so which is equal to cosec a minus 20. From this I can write 90 minus 4a is equal to a minus 20. This implies 5a is equal to 110. This implies a will be your 110 divided by 5. A is equal to 22. I hope you understand question number 5. We will go to question number 6. So in question number 6, it is given that if A, B, C are the interior angles of a triangle ABC, then show that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos 4 by 2. Okay, we will draw a diagram like this. A, B, C, and these are the interior angles. So according to the angle sum property, we know that A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. From here I can write B plus C is equal to 180 minus A, right? So by multiplying 1 by 2 on both the sides, by multiplying 1 by 2 on sides, this is a very important question. You have to remember the tricks. So this will be your B plus C by 2, which is equal to 180 minus A by 2. From here I can write it like this implies B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2 minus A by 2, right? This implies B plus C by 2 is equal to 180 by 2, 90 minus A by 2, right? Right? Okay. So I can write taking sine on both the sides. That means sine B plus C by 2 is equal to sine 90 minus A by 2, right? This implies I can write sine B plus C by 2 is equal to sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos A by 2. So this was given to prove. So hence this is your fruit. I can write it like fruit, right? Given that sine to prove that sine B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. So simply you have to do A plus B plus C by 2. Do the angle sum property A plus B plus C is equal to 180. From that you can write B plus C as B plus C is equal to 180 minus A, and simply divide 2 in the equation. After that you have to take the sign. You will get the answer. Okay, we'll solve the next question. So here is the question. Question number 7, express sine 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angle between 0 and 45. We have already done this type of question in examples. You can pause the video and solve the question if you know. If not, then go through the video. Okay, we will solve it. What is given? Given that sine 67 plus cos 75, this is given, and we have to convert it in terms of these two things, in terms of angles which is less than 45 and greater than 0 degree. Okay, so this will be, I can write it, sine 67 means sine 67 as 90 minus I think 23, plus cos 75 means cos 90 minus 15. From here I can write cos sine 90 minus theta means cos 23 plus cos 90 minus theta means sine 15 degree. So this will be your angles which is smaller than 45 degree. So this will be your answer, right? I think you have understood all the questions. If you like the video, then do subscribe the channel and share the video with your friends, because it is lockdown period. You have to share the video so that your friends will be benefited. Thank you.